Alrighty, Greg here again with another Magi training video. This one comes directly from some comments in the Facebook group about how you can use different personas in the same chat. So we are going to do a quick one for you. I've got us teed up here. We are logged in. We have a new chat. And of course, you can set at the top your AI model. Go on GPT-4o for its creativity, since we're doing a LinkedIn post. And I'm going to start off with marketing expert. And so I've got my prompt already entered. So we will press the button and it will generate, okay? And so it's knocking it out here. Now, one of the great tricks here in the way to do it is we'll go up, we'll copy that prompt, and let's change it over to, since it is going online, I like to use the expert copywriter. So you notice at the top we changed the persona. We'll paste the prompt and we will run it again. And this looks like it's got some of the same kind of bullets here, right? And we'll do it. I'll do it one more time. And I recommend that you do this. You can put in your own persona, and this is mine. So we change that at the top. We will paste the prompt again, and we'll see how it comes out with this one. Come on, sweetheart. And once again, it is, looks like it's going to do the bullets, which is nice because those are the kind of the line items that I said I offer in the prompt. So there you go. This is one that was my persona, expert copywriter, and the first one we started with was marketing expert. So that is a quick video how you can run the same prompt against multiple personas using Magi. Thank you. It's Greg with mappingyourmarketing.com.